What's good, YouTube, man? Get straight to another video today, man. Today we're doing a Chainsaw Man episode 3 reaction. Getting this out to you a little later than I expected, but hey, man, no time like the present. Feel free to check my other reactions out. Not about to waste too much of your time, but get straight into it. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed, and with that said, we're about to get straight into this in 1, 2, 3. Oh, we picking this right back off. Like, right back where we left off.
民間が手をつけた悪魔を公安が殺すのは業務妨害。殺せって言ったんじゃ。はあ
What?
よくそんな嘘が言えたもんだな。
Nah, she's weird. She's trying to twist it on them. That's crazy.
あ、マキマさん、この悪魔嘘つきですね。逮捕だ逮捕。嘘なんとか罪で逮捕だてめえ。
Fake ass liar is crazy. Oh my god, they going in. Mark me just sitting there just chilling. Oh, never mind. What the heck is she doing? I know it is a dream come true. This man had nothing, straight from the gutter. I only enjoy the company of cats. Oh, okay. And she said it like it is. I don't like humans. Okay, I feel it. Just completely dissed her whole monologue, bro. Her whole dialogue, he just dissed all that. Feel the dog? Yeah, I'm not a cat person either, man. I'm more of a dog person. After retrieving Meow from the devil. Bro, it's no. This man about to get teed up because he's going to grab some booze, bro. Chill. Yo, Deji is a clown. Yo, this man ain't worried about nothing else, bro. This dude is a freak. Nah, she going in right now, bro. She does not have to be that disrespectful, especially on Portia, bro. I know you're not taking that, Daddy. One that seems interesting, one that seems promising. Word, yo, what's up with everybody in this show comparing people to dogs, yo? That's kind of crazy. Oh, this dude about to start hating, bro. All devils are born with names. The more powerful the devil is said to become. That's kind of crazy. And that you can turn to the chainsaw devil. Seems pretty interesting to me. He might be interesting. Oh, this dude about to start hating. I can hear it. Okay, ain't nothing wrong with living a good life, bro. But he thinks he can be friends with devil because he has been friends with a devil, man.
じゃあさっさと行くか。鉄なるからチェーンソーにはなりたくねえな。
お、チェーンソ
結構人質にされんだろ。こんな近くまでついてきちゃダメでしょ。
ー？おー、そういう設定じゃったが。
設定？
言
You
い間
said
違い。
I misspoke. Something ain't right, bro. Something ain't right, man. She set my man up, bro. I know it.
ば来たぞ、コウモリ。
久しぶりの食事。若い男か。
She just set him up, y'all.
この腕の傷を見ろ、人間。
Look at my arm, human. Man. Ooh, I want to say something crazy, bro. No one care about your arm, boy. Human butt. God. Yo, this dude Deji is going through it. And look at you, Power, looking goofy. I hope he switch up on her and kill her or something, bro. Or like, kill that cat. That's what I want. Make her feel bad for being stupid.
信用できたもんじゃな。
Kill her.
決めたぞ。
コウモリの悪魔。
This dude just say he wants to eat children, bro.
約束通り
Bat devil, that makes sense. Now that I look at him, I was trying to figure out what type of devil he was. Bad devil was nasty. Ooh, I hope he eats your cat. I hope I hope he told you he been ate your cat. I know it's cruel, but Power deserved that, man. I don't care.
うぬの名はにゃーこ
I don't care about a sad backstory ever. She betrayed Deji, bro. You're weird. Girl big and strong.
のが楽しみじゃな。
Whoa!
ったやつはすべて殺してたからな。
I've killed all who've met my eyes.
悲鳴じゃない声を聞くのは不思議な感じじゃな。
Boy, Power was a problem back in the day, boy.
血が足りない。猫を殺されたか。
You want to say this cat bring me a human? I still don't care. She betrayed Deji. Like on some weird.
舌をもう撫でれんと言っとったな。
You say you couldn't pet Porsche. Oh,
わかったぞ。
I understand how you feel now.
ひどい気分じゃない。
Oh, I ain't gonna front that. Why they had to add that part? Made me kind of feel bad now. Did Power just die? I was joking. Gargle with the blood of children is crazy. Beefy man as the main course and the pregnant woman for dessert.
俺の胸返せ。
Give me my tits back, bro. Chill.
だけど家に帰るとポチタは泣きながら俺を待っていた。
It's over now. He just cut his arm off after he just got it back. He just got his arm back, y'all. Oh, she about to die. What is she doing?
バカが食っちまうぞ。
That's what I'm saying. I mean, I would have been gone, boy. Talking about
もう無んだよ。
and caught me a few. Yo. Yo, this Chainsaw Man is actually strong, and I thought he just knocked him out the building, bro, like it was nothing. Ooh, right in the chest. Come on, Deji, come on. Stay on your toes, boy. Come on. Get out the way! Why are people standing there? I never understood that. If I'm seeing two creatures running the street, I'm running the opposite way. I'm not. Come on, Deji. Save this man out here, bro. He caught that whole car. You think I saved him? I don't get. He threw the car back with him in it. Okay, Deji. I ain't go for it. Deji might be one of my new favorite MCs, boy. Go ahead, Deji. Look. Oh yeah, you done. You finished.
タバコ臭い血だが今は許そう。
Your blood reeks of cigarettes.
なぜ
His fingers are broken. This dude has one track mind, bro. I need to save parts so I can fill on her little melons. He about to cut right through that. You're done. It's over. Woo! Done. It's over. Cut his head off. Cut the head clean off. Oh, he cut that man's stomach open, y'all. Man ripped his whole intestines out, yo. Ooh, ain't no way that's how you end the episode. That's how you end the episode, y'all. That's how you end the episode. Man, yo, that was they just Chainsaw has yet to disappoint me. I'm not gonna lie. Every episode is a banger. Yeah, man. With that said, stay tuned to more, man. You know, I'm giving you them every time they drop. Like, subscribe to the video. Let me know in the comments if you have any other types of animes or any type of other reactions you want me to do. With that said, peace.